Hi, this is Peter from OpenBOM. Today we're going to see a video how to calculate costs per different unit of measure. So an example is you want to calculate costs, for example, on raw material size, like this sheet of wood, for example, or calculate costs when you have, for example, a pack of 10 bolts and you are consuming bolts individually on the assembly. So let's see our example in our use case. It's this simple assembly we have here. So it's basically just a wooden plate with 4 bolts on it, and this will look like this in OpenBOM. So we will have this bill of material, so the 4 bolts. We're going to have one plate, and then we are consuming this raw material in 5 + 5 sheets of 6 mm wood plate. So how to configure this is basically we need to go into the catalog and look into the material configuration. So the material in this case is calculated in square inches. So the cost in OpenBOM catalog needs to be in square inch. So if you buy this in 25 square inches, so 5 + 5, and this is the cost per, this what you buy. So you have to create just a quick formula to calculate the cost of sheet divided by 25. So notice that you shouldn't apply to all rows because this is specific to this row. So the same with the bolts, same example. So this is bought from McMaster at boxes of 10 bolts. So you need to create a formula that defines that. So don't apply to all rolls, and the cost per box or sheet, you then set a formula so your costs per unit of measure are correct. So then what you need to do is in your bill of material, you set up an extended cost field. So you add a new property, or you use a template to have the extended cost in your bill of materials. And then this formula will be just the cost plus quantity. And make sure that you have selected save rolled up value for extended cost to all sublevels. So once you do that, the cost will be updating at each level. So if we look into making some changes, for example, we add 2 plates, notice that the cost will be updating. So notice that is now making changes, and all this is rolling up to all levels, including to that sub-assembly cost. If you look at to that item, if you look that the cost is also being updated there. So this is a very simple way to do things. If you are using orders, you can also use this in an order. So in this example, you can create a view that has also a few extra columns. So for example, we can add a view that calculates what quantity you need to order in your unit of measure. So for example, this for each item, you can then calculate a formula back to say the quantity required will always be divided by 10 because this is in boxes of 10, and the same uh, with the material divided by 25. So then if you have gaps to make 10 units, you need 40 bolts and you need to order 4 boxes. Okay, so a very simple way to make calculations with OpenBOM. If you have more questions, email us at support@openbom.com. Thank you.